Understanding the phrase, kick up a storm, in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, kick up a storm. This idiom is a vivid expression often used in everyday English. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it in conversations. Stay tuned. Kick up a storm is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to cause a lot of trouble or fuss, or to create a big reaction. It's often used when someone is making a significant impact, whether positive or negative. For example, if someone is very good at dancing and they perform energetically, you might say they kicked up a storm on the dance floor. This idiom has a metaphorical origin. It's derived from the literal action of kicking something up, like dust or leaves, which creates a noticeable disturbance. In the case of a storm, it suggests a large and potentially chaotic impact. Understanding this visual can help you remember the usage and meaning of the phrase. To better understand how to use kick up a storm, let's look at some examples. 1. The new policy kicked up a storm in the community, meaning the policy caused a lot of discussions or controversy. 2. She kicked up a storm with her groundbreaking research, indicating that her work caused a significant, and likely positive, reaction. When using kick up a storm, remember, it's generally informal and best used in conversational English. It can be positive or negative, depending on the context. It's a vivid phrase, so it works well in descriptive scenarios. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, kick up a storm. Idioms like this make English a colorful and expressive language. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use this phrase in your conversations. See you in the next video.